Okay, let's start. So in last class, we learnt about ACF, LCM, and Euclid methods to find ACF. Okay, hope you are doing. Hope you guys are doing exercise. So let's start with our favorite quote. So what is our favorite quote? Maths is easy, but conditions, yes. And what are the conditions? Regular practice and understand the concept. Okay. So now today we will learn about polynomials. So in this class, what we will do, we will understand the concept, and then the next class we will do exercise. So first thing, as we say always, first we should know what is this. Then we will learn how it works. Then automatically your mind will start questioning why it is this. Okay. So as we discussed earlier, right now you are in that level. You are doing live class. Before that, you should read the book before coming here. And before that, there are videos, concept videos there, right? Watch these videos. If you are not understanding in one time, watch multiple times. This is first step, second step, third step. Then we will do exercise. And after that, we will do DCC, doubt clearing class. If you do these steps sequentially, you will understand all the concept forever. That is guaranteed, okay? You will never think that math is not easy after this. So if watch videos again, if you are not understanding in one time, if you are able to understand in 5 times, then you are genius. Okay. So let's start now today's session. Today we are going to learn about polynomials. So there are actually two things here. One is poly. What is the meaning of poly? Anyone can tell? Poly means many. What is the meaning of poly? Many. Yeah. So this is one type of questions or topics in algebra. So algebra means we are learning things when we don't know the actual number. Okay. So these things are called variables. We are talking about something we don't know. Okay. And how we denote variables? Either by X or by, this is all revision, okay, from previous classes. And if you think that you are getting it difficult to understand these concepts, please go to class 9th videos and watch all the videos. And even after watching videos you are not able to understand concept, we can schedule either revision class or you can join class 9 session, okay? But it is very important, without understanding all previous class concepts you will not be able to understand this class concepts. Okay. Polynomials, poly means many. तो जब हम वेरिएबल होता है, जिस चीज की वैल्यू हमको नहीं पता है और अगर हम उसी के बारे में मैथमेटिक्स में कैलकुलेशन कर रहे होते हैं, उसको वेरिएबल कहते हैं। और वेरिएबल को हम एक्स वाई जेड से डिनोट करते हैं। अब वेरिएबल का मतलब ये है कि इसकी वैल्यू हमको पता नहीं है और ये वेरी कर सकती है। क्या कर सकती है? वेरी। कोई बता सकता है वेरी का मीन्स? वेरी मीन्स चेंजिंग। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? चेंजिंग। ये लगातार चेंज हो रहा है। जैसे जैसे हम, ये एक सर्कल है, सर्कल में आप देखो ये है, अगर मैं ये बोलूं कि अगर एक पर्सन सर्कल में राउंड लगा रहा है और हम बोले उसकी यहाँ से पोजीशन क्या है, कितनी डिस्टेंस, तो लगातार डिस्टेंस क्या हो रही है, चेंज हो रही है। क्या हो रही है, चेंज हो रही है। पहले वो यहाँ होगा, फिर यहाँ होगा, फिर यहाँ होगा, फिर यहाँ होगा। ओके। और अगर हमको ये तो नहीं पता है कि वैल्यू क्या है, लेकिन हमको ये पता है वैल्यू चाहे कुछ भी हो, लेकिन जो भी होगी वो फिक्स होगी, उसको कांस्टेंट वैल्यू बोलते हैं। कैसे, ये कोई सर्कल पाथ है और ये क्या है, इसका रेडियस जानते हो आप, नहीं, रेडियस, राइट। अगर सर्कल का रेडियस है और अगर कोई स्प्रिंट कर रहा है इसके चारों तरफ, तो एक बात की गारंटी है, वो कहीं भी स्प्रिंट करे उसकी सेंटर से डिस्टेंस क्या होगी, हमेशा बराबर होगी। तो ये वैल्यू क्या है, कांस्टेंट है। क्या है, कांस्टेंट। तो ये अननोन नंबर्स हैं एक्स वाई जी और ए बी सी दोनों में, लेकिन एक फर्क है कि ये वैल्यू बदलेगी, लेकिन ए बी सी वैल्यू कांस्टेंट है, बदलेगी नहीं, पर हमको पता नहीं है। अगर ऐसी कोई वैल्यू है जिसका हमको पता नहीं है लेकिन वैल्यू कांस्टेंट रहेगी, चेंज नहीं होगी, उसको हम कांस्टेंट्स बोलते हैं। क्या बोलते हैं, कांस्टेंट्स। में लगातार हिंदी में नरेट करते हैं, अगर किसी को थोड़ी सी डिफिकल्टी है इंग्लिश में कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए, but our mode of communication will be English most of the time. So now you know the polynomials as you studied in last class. This one. So what is, see the example, 5x cube minus 4x square plus x minus root 2. This is here x. Okay. So let me write here 5x cube. I just took it, this piece here. It is called term. Okay, here x is variable and 5 we know constant and we know values also. And what is 3? 3 is power of x. You all know it, right? So just watch whatever is written, either x, y, z or u. If something is written in terms of alphabets, that means these things are unknown. We don't know the value of these items. Unknown things can be either variable or constant. Okay. So now if I'm writing it here, 2x cube plus 3x square plus 7. This is multiple terms are there, right? 1, 2, 3. And here it is, we are calling it as a polynomial. And in this polynomial, find out first the variable. Variable is x. So you see here there are x cube, x square, and 7x means actually x ki power 0. You all know, right? What is the x to the power 0 equal to? Someone can tell me? You know? Anyone? If we forward any number, the value is also 1, always 1. Make it a note. It's a most important thing. If you write power of any number, any variable, the value is always 1. Okay? It is one of the most important concepts. So now, x cube, 3x square plus 7x. So these powers, you need to find out the highest power of variable. So what is the highest power of variable in this polynomial? 3. Are you getting it? Okay, so highest power of variable in any polynomial is called degree of polynomial. What is this? Degree of polynomial. And now if the degree of polynomial is 1, write this definition in your formula book. If the degree of any polynomial is 1, it is called linear. Linear means degree is 1. Multiple examples we can say: x plus 7, x, x plus 2. All these you see the variable is x and the power of variable is 1 everywhere. Because of the degree of polynomial, degree of polynomial means highest degree of variable in a given polynomial is 1. It is called linear polynomial. It is a definition. So it comes under the what? First you should understand what. You have to learn this. These are basic definitions. And if the degree is 2, it is called quadratic. It is a name because quadrate means square, x square. So x square plus 2, x square plus 2x plus 2, all are quadratic because the degree of polynomial is 2, and degree of polynomial means here the highest power of variable in a given polynomial. And if the degree is 3, it is called cubic. So 1 means linear, 2 means quadratic, 3 means cubic. Again, same thing here. Here if you see, this is a polynomial, and in polynomial, the variable is x. Highest degree of variable is x cube. And the term with highest power of variable is ax cube. So the highest power becomes the degree of polynomial. So degree of polynomial is 3, and 3 stands for cubic. And always remember, if you are writing it, a cannot be a 0. Why? If a cannot be a 0, why we are saying it? Say this is x. If we are not taking this condition, someone can write it like here, 0 into x cube plus x. फिर तो कोई भी टर्म लिख दो आप, कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल लिख दो आप, हम किसी को भी क्यूबिक बना देंगे, हम 0 इंटू एक्स क्यू लिख देंगे. इसलिए जो मल्टीपल है डिग्री वाला फर्स्ट टर्म, उसका जो कॉफिशिएंट है या जिस नंबर से उसको मल्टीप्लाई किया गया है कांस्टेंट से, वो कभी 0 नहीं हो सकता. इसलिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये चीज समझना भी आपको. a इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. Now let's read the definition. If px, okay, so what is px? Anything when we are writing, we are denoting it by px. Px means polynomial of variable x. So if px is a polynomial in x and k is any real number, then the value obtained by replacing k by k in px is called the value of px and k. This is very, very important concept, and you will do lot of questions in your exercise. Okay, say for example, I have this variable. So if I put value x equal to 2, So this is called px. If I put x equal to 2, it will become p2. So 3 into 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 3. So this value will become the value of polynomial at x equal to 2. It is called p2. Because we don't know, we can put any number. That's why we are using it as a k. K could be any number. -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever. And also this number is also called a zero of a polynomial. If pk equal to 0, or it is called a solution also. So after watching the videos, concept videos, we expect you to read the book this way and underline any topic, any word you are not able to understand, so you can ask in the live class. If you are doing it, that means you are reading less and understanding more. That is what we say smart study. Be proactive, not reactive. Be ready before live class so you can understand more with less time. Now, now we need to learn how we can represent a polynomial on bar graph or as a geometry. So I think that you all aware of geometric representation. So this is called x-axis and it is called y-axis. It is called x-axis. It is called y-axis. This is origin 0. So if I want to reach this point, I have to go this way to x-axis and this way to y-axis. Say for example, if I'm going 2 point on x-axis and 2 point on y-axis, it is called coordinates of any point. Say for example, point is P, 2, 2. Okay. If you think that you don't understand it, let us know. So again, we need to have either revision class, or better you go to the previous year class 9 videos. That is the whole purpose of publishing these videos. So you don't need to wait anyone, go back and then do a revision. Okay. Now, if we present any polynomial on bar graph, how we do? If they say, let's start with very easy thing. For example, polynomial is px. Px equal to 2. So easiest thing is take it as y. This is x plus 2 and this is y. And then you need to find couple of points. So the easiest thing is put x equal to 0. You will get a y value. And then put y equal to 0 and you will find an x value. So you will find two values and then you can draw the graph. This is the easiest thing. So if I'm putting is 0, so it's 2 into 0, 2 into 0 plus 3, so it's 3. So there will be a point 0.03. And then you can put a point, as I told, y equal to 0, this one. And then you can draw the line. It could be anything, right? Either it could be a straight line, and then if you take some more complex, like quadratic equation, it will be a curve like this. This curve is actually called parabola. So you will learn it in higher classes, but it's a curve. So the curve has one end at one side, and then other side is opening, widening. वो बड़ा होता चला जाता है. Okay, so in next class we will learn about these curves. These curves are quadratic equation curves. So go ahead and then learn these concepts, read books. In next class we will learn more about the graphs, and then we will do the exercise. Okay, any question? Okay, thanks for your. Okay, let me stop recording then.